Welcome back to the Unicom Engineering Flawless Execution Podcast. I'm your host, Michelle Dawn Mooney. And before we get started, I want to remind you that you can always go to unicomengineering.com for more information on today's talk, as well as other great conversations and information about the company. Today, we're joined by Angela Blair from Dell Technologies to talk about the PowerEdge server portfolio and how it is accelerating transformation. Angela leads product management and product marketing in the OEM Solutions Group at Dell Technologies. Now, to start off at a high level, the 16th generation of PowerEdge servers was launched earlier this year. The portfolio consists of various rack mount server configurations, tower servers, and versions that support modular infrastructure. There are also a few different variations for specialized needs, including rugged environments and complex compute-intensive workloads for things like AI, machine learning, HPC, etc. A lot of territory to cover. So, Angela, let's start off with this. Can you tell us more about what challenges Dell was designing for with these new servers?
Yeah, we are seeing data being generated at unprecedented rates, and it's driving new workloads that require a modern infrastructure. We knew that we needed to help our customers to derive value from their data in places that they really never have before. And that could be at the edge, that could be in the cloud, that could be in the data center. So we needed to design for things like edge deployments, for acceleration across the portfolio, and to provide end-to-end security for our customers so that they could trust their data is secure no matter where it is.
So, let's talk about putting things into play. How does all of that help customers?
Well, it really helps them to accelerate their business insights. It helps them improve operational efficiencies, and it helps them reinforce their security because they know their servers are designed grounds up with a security first approach.
It appears the portfolio has been expanded quite a bit. How has this helped customers address different needs and workloads?
Yeah, we really have expanded our portfolio quite a bit to ensure that we're meeting the needs of our customers, both with those what we call mainstream or more standardized workloads that they've been running, as well as those more modern, new specialized workloads that we were talking about a minute ago.
Can you tell us a bit more about what has changed, what changes you've personally seen?
Our performance platforms take advantage of all the latest and greatest technologies out there. That includes everything from Intel based Xeon processors, AMD EPYC processors, to DDR5 memory and new performance based storage options. But we've also added something new for our OEM customers under the AMD mainstream platforms. And that is we've added Excel capability, giving them the longevity, the stability that they need in our life cycles. We've also added Excel in another spot, and that is in our XS-based Intel platforms. So these are platforms that are really built to optimize the combination of performance for costs so that customers who need performance but don't want to overpay for technology have exactly what they need. And we knew that was really important to OEM. And so we wanted to make sure that we gave that stability, that longevity and life cycle to those platforms as well. And then finally, we have some new specialized platforms within the portfolio. There are four brand new GPU optimized based platforms to help with your AI and machine learning workloads. And we also have four new edge design servers. And these are servers that are built with minimum footprint in mind, but they provide you all the performance, the manageability, and the capability that you would expect from any PowerEdge platform.
We hear the word accelerate being used a lot lately to describe this portfolio. From Dell's perspective, what is being accelerated and then why?
Yeah, customers are faced, as I mentioned before, with more data, more decisions, and more challenges than ever before. And they need to be able to derive value from that data to really understand what they need to do to compete and stay successful in the marketplace. And so they need faster decision making, they need faster insights. And that's really what artificial intelligence is bringing to the table. It allows them to make real time analysis in a way that they never have before. At the server product level, that's really about bringing things like accelerators into your configurations. And we have a lot of customers who are using GPUs for that. And so we made sure that we designed across the portfolio, whether you're buying a mainstream product or one of those specialty platforms that I mentioned before, you have GPU capability within them. Organizations across all industries are adopting these accelerators, and we needed to be ready for them.
So, which workloads benefit most from what we're talking about here? And then, if you can kind of add a why to that as well, maybe some examples of really how it's working.
It's no longer industry specific. When we were doing our research, 70% of IT leaders told us they were going to be doing some artificial intelligence within their environments. They also told us they were going to be doing some level of edge deployment. And our OEM solutions customers are always at the forefront of this, working with their customers to build solutions in every industry. So our OEM customers are always at the forefront of leveraging Dell hardware and combining it with their IP to create solutions for their customers. And they're working with customers in every industry. So whether that's managing inventory or doing predicting store traffic in retail or doing predictive maintenance or automated deployment for IT or using sensors to determine watering rates for agriculture, we're seeing our OEM customers build solutions in every industry.
So, to wrap up, we should really comment on how partners, specifically Unicom Engineering, can extend Dell's reach. What sort of impact do these partnerships have, and how do you see them helping to shape the future for Dell?
So, for more than 20 years, Dell OEM Solutions has been providing customers with unique OEM solutions and services to help them design, deploy, and deliver and support their solutions with their customers. Having a partner like Unicom helps to extend our core strengths and capabilities, but Unicom really is unique in that they also help us extend our manufacturing and integration capabilities, and they work with us across all of Dell, meaning our product group, our engineering group, our services group, to really make sure that we're delivering what it is that the customer needs. And working together, we really can deliver innovative solutions for our OEM customers.
Angela Blair, Director of Product Management for Dell Technologies OEM Solutions. Angela, I want to thank you for your time. A lot to go over there, some technical talk, but really appreciate your time and kind of putting it out there and giving us a better understanding of just how these exciting new pieces of technology are working. So thank you for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
And I want to thank all of you for tuning into Unicom Engineering Flawless Execution podcast. Once again, you can go to unicomengineering.com for more information on Unicom, and please subscribe to the podcast so you can hear more great conversations like the one you heard today. I'm your host, Michelle Dawn Mooney. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.